What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. If you haven't stopped by before, please click on the subscribe button and click on that bell icon so that you can be notified of new videos. So guys, you might remember a week or so ago I did an unboxing of the Skyreat ND filters. So I bought an ND32 and an ND64. So what the hell are ND filters? Well guys, an ND filter is a neutral density filter. It's nothing more than a semi-transparent piece of glass that blocks out light from a camera's sensor. So what that really does, in essence, is push the exposure time from seconds to sometimes minutes, depending on the strength of the filter. ND filters are classed by their optical density, or the equivalent f-stop reduction, so pretty much what they call the number of stops. So I don't want to get all technical, but the filters that I've bought are the ND32 and the ND64. It's a 4-pack, which comes in a nice case. It actually comes in a case with 6 places to put filters, but they also come, so the 32 and the 64 also comes with the polarized versions. Now, polarized versions, in case anyone doesn't know, and I'm sure you all do, but that enables you to use these filters. When you have a polarized filter, it kind of cuts out all the glare. So if you're filming on water or something like that, highly reflective surfaces, the polarized filter cuts out all the glare, so that's good.
As you can see by the 2 clips that are side by side here, the clip on the left is really overexposed. This is being shot with no filter at all. And the clip on the right, as you can see with the ND32 filter, the exposure is much more controlled and the colours are much more vibrant.
So guys, this was just a quick video just to kind of sum up and explain a little bit about ND filters. Should you need them? Do you think you need them? Have you got any questions? If you have, please leave them in the comment section below. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this DJI Osmo Pocket out, which I'm incidentally filming on, and I'm going to apply the filters, show some different combinations of with, without, and some different variations of photography, and you guys make your own mind up. But that's coming in another video, hopefully later on in the week. So for now guys, I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens. Please subscribe, please click on the bell icon, and if you've got any questions, leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.